Okay, well, in theory this is working. In theory, you can hear me. In theory, but it's just low. Okay. Monitor only, mute output, monitor and outputs, monitor off. Okay. This is working, but it's just low. Wow. Okay, and we'll try YouTube. See if this is just low. Mute output, monitor and outputs, monitor. Okay. Super low. I have no idea why that is. Why is it so low? Oh, is it running through the monitor? Let's see. System sound. No, that's fine. This is now 100. Oh, wow, that's way too loud. Okay, so in theory, everything's working. I have no idea if that's true, but let's see. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Okay, so that may be working, but it's like potentially super loud. If we go there, that's still peaking. This is peaking. Okay, this may be better, but I guess I'm going to be farther away, so let's see. Okay, hello, 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 hello. Okay, so that's fine. That's not really peaking too much. That's crazy. And then do I have an actual, like, does this work? What do I say here? Yeah, this, cool. I'm like randomly, maybe this one works? No. Wow, okay. Is there a scene, this one? With like less stuff? Yeah, okay. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I guess I'm able to be heard now, is that true? Okay, and that shows up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, and then what happened to my audio here? Okay. There's a deep house mix focus. I don't know how that's possible. Yeah, that's not possible. Okay. Cool. So this may be working now. That's crazy. I'm learning. Okay. So back to what we were doing, that I was doing in complete silence. Use an audio element to play the WAV file in the browser. Start. Right. Okay, so I need to return the recognition, which I'm doing. Okay, so I just need to do this. And where do I do it? I do it here. Okay. So I have an audio element here. That's like too loud somehow. Does this even work? This thing? It does, doesn't it? Okay. So we'll just move it to like there. Or maybe I'll just put this up to full. And then I'll move this down to something that isn't clipping. Oh no, that's... Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is not This is not clipping. Wow. Okay, okay, okay. Hello, 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 hello. Probably good. And then we can put this up, and that's better. I don't know how the mix is because of my headphones. Like, I can hear myself, but I can hear myself because I can hear myself. What is this? How do I get that for free if I already have this? And where did I just see an ad? Somehow... Oh, does this not know that I'm logged in? Or no, I am logged in. How do I have ads? So I'm in Streamlabs desktop and it's giving me ads and I'm like, paid? That's super loud, isn't it? This is now like way loud. Okay, there we go. That's probably way too loud still. Okay. So, just taking a look. Oh, interesting. So this setup. Okay. Oh, I can't change them a lot. Okay, cool. So I think we're good. I'm so paranoid now about this not working. Let's see. Is this working? Is this working? Is this working? Yeah, it sounds like it is. Okay. Cool. So we are at the audio element. And then here, we're going to do those, and this is called what? Speech recognition. I mean, I can just call it, yeah, speech recognition is probably better. Okay. Oh, and I should move this over. How do I move the chat? Settings. How do I move this to the other side? Okay. And like all of those are all messed up. I can fix that later though. Oh, here we go. Chat on the left side. And I don't want studio mode. Okay, so we're like in a decent place, which is better than where we were, which was a horrible place. Okay. Now, recognition. This should be, nope. Okay, and then this should be audio elements.
This is the story of my journey, from a bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what I was doing. I say vague because I'm not going to make grand...
Oh wait, I don't want it to ask for
This is the story of
microphone.
my journey, from a bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what I was doing. I say vague because...
So this can't be working. Yeah, this is not what I want. So I need to get rid of this. And get rid of this. And get rid of those.
This is the story of my journey, from a bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what I was doing. I say vague because I'm not going to make grand claims to the techniques that I discuss in this book. It is enough to say that I have found them useful over the last decade, whether in finding opportunity, removing waste, helping to organize a team of people, or determining the strategy for a company. Will they help you? That depends upon the context that you're operating in, but since the techniques don't take long to learn, then I'll leave it up to the reader to discover whether they are helpful to them or not. Remember, all models are wrong, but some are useful. In the first part of this book...
So this... Oh, interesting. Oh no, I wrote that correctly. I wonder if Coro gives you back. Like, what does it actually give you back? I don't know why that uses WASM when I have the ability to use WebGPU. Okay. Let's just try something here. Okay. So that returns audio. Oh, it can do a two-wave for me. So I don't even need this? Can I do this? That's not async. I can't do that. But I can look at what it is. So
This is the story of my journey from a
yeah. So what if I do this? No. Okay. So it's an array buffer. But I could do to blob, which is what I think I'm doing in this guy anyways. Where is it? So what about to blob? Okay. Oh, what's text? Oh, it's the text of the blob, I see. Interesting. Can I get a data URI from that? File instance of blob. Okay, so then I should be able to do this. Interesting. Is that true? That's cool if that works. So then I should be able to say here. Then this can be audio.
This is the story of my journey.
Wow, cool. So I don't need this at all.
This is the story of my journey.
That's so cool. So I no longer need to do that. Great. Hello, thank you. So now that I have that, do I even need to await this? No, this is like a new. A new like I don't know, like AI that comes in. My headphones aren't working. Get multimodal. Spam bot. So this now looks like it's, I can delete that. That's really neat that I no longer need the WAV file. I wonder if I can like manipulate this thing. Does that work? This is going to look really weird on YouTube because this is replying everywhere. Okay, so what do I get? Right, so I'm probably back to what I get from this guy. I'm getting this blob. Oh, what else does this say? It says speech to text. I don't want to use this. So that's what I'm doing. Phoneme output visualization. What are these? No, I don't want any of that. It's code to include the timestamp generation during synthesis. Okay, let's take a look at this. I feel like CoroJS has that. Let's take a look at the code. So what do we have with this? Okay, so we have a phonemizer. Does this come out of, so it imports it, model tokenizer from pre-trained. That's what I'm using, right? What am I using for this? From pre-trained, okay. Okay. Generate. So this takes the voice, validates it exists, produces a language, gets phonemes. So the problem here is I get a raw audio format, which is this waveform, but there's this intermediate here. And I wonder if I can access that. Can I access that? So let's see. So Kokoro TTS. Phonemizer. So this is just going to be a lot of phonemes. What is a phoneme? Are there JavaScript? Okay. The problem is, even if I have that, this is similar in nature. Like, I don't have a timestamp, which is the problem. I could like just approximate this. But I wonder if an approximation would be useful here. I don't think it will be. Does this keep working?
From a bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what I was doing. I say vague.
Okay, so this still works. If I made it word by word, I would lose a lot of... Is this a problem that really matters? I don't think it is. I think this is like cool. Is there a free alternative to that? To how do you use the web That's probably the best. Oh, that's weird. Okay, let's try this. So import. I am such a non-fan of this, like, library smartness Cloud speech. Okay. Okay, so OpenAI Whisper. Oh, okay, so okay, is there a hugging face? Audio, text to text. If I make this bigger, does it change the UI significantly? No. So what does this do? Oh, I see. But is there like an audio? Okay, so you can use Whisper 3 large turbo. Okay. So is this part of Transformers JS? What's it doing? Oh, I see. It's looking at all of the... Oh, it's right there. Okay. So distill whisper. Cool. Okay, and I was not using this. I was using Kokoro, so let's try this. Let's delete this. This would be really cool if it worked. Okay. And then okay. How do you specify? Web GPU, I see. Try again. No. Okay. So that is experimental. And then how do I use this? Short form audio files, less than 30 seconds, which is what we've got. Okay, so then let's use TTS. Okay, so we'll do this. What does it need? And where's the device? CUDA 0. Oh, I see. Okay. So results sample dataset 0 audio. Okay. Speculative decoding. Flash attention to. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this can do transcription on a WAV file. And I have a URL. Okay, so I can use this. So audio element equals. And we can say await. And then we can do Language. Okay, let's just try this. Interesting. Will this work? Do I need to await that? Yeah. I don't think I do. Okay, and then like refresh this guy.
This is the story of my journey, from a
Okay.
bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what I was doing.
Oh, I need Zenova
I say vague because I'm not
transformers.
going to make grand claims to the techniques that I discuss in this book. It is enough to say that I have found them useful.
Okay. So there's some weird stuff going on here. Zenova. Register backend. Oh, okay. So that seemed to work. Wow, but this is like, maybe I can say device now? Oh, but this doesn't give me anything other than... That works, okay. But it doesn't. I think this is just not where it needs to be. Yeah. It is not where it needs to be. Oh, what did I just save? Okay. Cool. And if we refresh this.
This is the story of my journey, from a bumbling and confused CEO lost in the headlights of change to having a vague idea of what...
Okay, so I think we're pretty comfortable with saying this is not going to work. And we'll do the extension next, which is to read this guy. So I think I'll do that next. Anyways, I'm gonna go. This was something. I figured out that I was mute for the first half of this. But anyways, hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.